Car. Wherever we see, there is a car today. As the car transport ratio increases, the number of accidents also increases. More cars leads to more deaths and injuries. Do you know in the past 30 years the number of death ratio has been reduced to half? How is it possible? Is there any secret behind this? Is it possible with the car users or the car manufacturers? The reduced number of death ratio is achieved by the greatest lifesaver devices called Airbag and Seat-belts. All car users should keep it in mind that airbag and seat belts are the prime most important features of a car safety because these two features can save our precious life. For the bare eye, the idea of an airbag seems simple enough because it looks like a kid's balloons, right? Do you think that the designing and operation of an airbag is simple enough? No. In fact, it is a process developed to a higher degree of complexity.
4, 3, 2, 1. And liftoff of the Atlas V and NOAA's GOES-S, a highly sophisticated weather-watching eye in the sky, to join its twin in providing better forecasts and saving lives.
You might be wondering that why I am showing the rocket launch, and also you would have thought that what is the relationship between the rocket launch and the airbag? Yes, of course, there is a relation. Airbags work in a similar way to rocket launch.
And liftoff of the Atlas V and NOAA's GOES-S, a highly sophisticated weather-watching eye in the sky, to join its twin in
rocket launch means there should be some explosion. So in our modern days, if rocket launch science is similar to airbag science, we are running with bombs or explosions. Don't scare. But yes, bombs with safety. If something mess up with the airbag technology in our car, there should be a major injuries to the passenger or the driver. Sometimes it leads to death also. If you want to know the history of an airbag date back all the way to 1941. Airbag has been designed by the German engineer named Walter Linderer and an American industrial engineer named John W. Hedrick. Later, with the extensive research and development, the variety of airbags and the safest airbags are updated to the market. So from these statistics, we can observe that the number of car users are more in United States. Next place goes to Japan, the third place goes to Germany, and China and India are sharing almost equal ratio. Yet another statistics represented the number of cars sold worldwide from 1990 to 2018. 2018 is an approximate figure here. So the sales ratio increases from 39 to 80.1. Since the number of car users are increased, nearly 1.3 million people are dying in road crashes per year. That means approximately 3,300 per day deaths. In addition to that, 20 to 50 million people are disabled or injured. Among all these deaths, half of them are youngsters aging between 15 to 44. After knowing these figures, in order to study the deaths and injuries of the road users, we have divided passenger, drivers, motorcyclists, and cyclists and pedestrian. So among all these users, the driver shares more deaths. Next place goes to passenger, next place goes to motorcyclist. Let's see the airbag deployment process. This diagram shows that before airbag deployment process, in our steering wheel, the airbag module usually consists of the sensors, inflators, and also nylon balloons and the ignition system. When these frontal airbags are to deploy, from the figure we can see that the sensors are sending a signal to the inflators. When inflator receives a signal, a small explosion is created by the igniter and generating a gas called nitrogen. So, once the igniter created a rapid reactions and a small explosion, the nitrogen gas is filled into the nylon balloons and making airbag to deploy at the right time. Inside a airbag, it's a gas generation mixture of sodium nitrate, potassium nitrate, and silicon dioxide. When a car undergoes collision, the series of three chemical reactions will going to happen inside the airbag module. Do you believe that all these chemical reactions will be happening within 30 to 40 milliseconds? In fact, yes. I was also pretty much wondered that before knowing the process.